Welcome to Propel. The Media List project in Propel is designed to help PR professionals efficiently create and manage targeted media lists. This project keeps all your contacts organized in one place, streamlining the process of reaching the right journalists for your campaigns and makes it simple to manage large-scale outreach. Hi, I'm Martin, and today I'll be guiding you through creating a media list using Propel's advanced tools. Let's get started. First, head over to the Projects tab and click Add New Project. Next, click Start Project under the Media List option. Give your project a name and select the relevant account to set up your workspace. Now, let's build your media list. Click Build Your Media List, and you've got several options to choose from. Media List displays your existing media lists. Add from Database. Add media contacts from Propel's extensive journalist database. Add from My Contacts. Select contacts you've already added in your account. Import from CSV. You can upload a CSV file with journalist contact info. Be sure to check out the sample CSV file linked in the description below for the right format. Create contact manually. Just fill in the fields and manually add journalists. Let's add media contacts from the Propel database, which is the world's most advanced AI-powered media database. By default, the Only Show Verified Contacts option is enabled. This ensures you're viewing journalists with fully verified details, so your media outreach is as accurate as possible. One of the standout features here is the Topic Prompt tool, powered by AI. It analyzes your pitch, press release, or key phrases to match you with the most suitable journalists. Keep in mind that this tool will return the top 200 most relevant journalists for your query, giving you a concise and high-quality list, perfect for targeted outreach. We believe in relevance over quantity, so we avoid spray and pray tactics. You can also fine-tune your results by using the Exclude Topic Keywords field. For example, if you're looking for journalists covering the Super Bowl but want to avoid anything related to restaurants, you can exclude restaurants from your search. If you already have specific journalists or outlets in mind, you can use the Name and/or Outlet Name search function to find them quickly. To further narrow down your results, Propel offers filters such as journalist classification, reach, job title, location, and media type. These help you focus on the most relevant contacts based on your campaign's unique needs. Once you've found the right journalists, simply check them off and click Add to Media List. Your completed media list will then display all the contacts you've selected, making it easy to review and manage. If you're ready to take your project to the next level, you can easily convert it into a full-blown PR pitching campaign by clicking Convert to A to Z Project. Click the plus icon anytime to add contributors to your project or for specific tasks. And that's it! You're now ready to start pitching with a targeted media list that's perfectly tailored to your needs. For more tips and tutorials, check out our playlist or reach out to support. Thanks for watching.